This is Beniya Mukayu, a ryokan in Yamashiro Onsen, which is a region in the Hokuriku region. Hello! She's the staff member at Beniya Mukayu. Anyway, so it's in the Hokuriku region in Ishikawa prefecture in Japan. So this is the Byakuroku Suite, number 130. Just checked in, just getting settled in, but let's explore along the way. So this is the entrance area. And where you take your shoes off. This is the mini bar, kind of a coffee tea. And then over here is the living area. There's bath and shower. Bedroom over here. So this is very modern style. And then this is the closet. Nice and spacious for all your belongings. And then we come to the living area. All right. So this is the main seating area. And then there's another sitting area with the balcony. But let's take a better look at this area. So on the far end, that's where they keep the yukata, the cotton kimonos, as they say, that you wear throughout the property. And then here is a deck. And there's they've prepared something nice. Don't know if it's sake or champagne, but anyway. So this is interesting. There's another little nook and cranny here, where you can just kind of sit here in a Zen-like state. If you're more comfortable on a sofa. And then this is actually a little table and a chair. See that there's a little flip-out compartment at the top of the desk. With power ports and USB, things like that. Anyways, you can see it's pretty. There's a little stone pagoda, little one, you might be able to see, with the moss garden. Anyways, turning around, coming back. So last thing to see is the bath area. So you come in here. This is the a dual wash basin. And then here is the actually open air onsen hot springs bath, furo. This is a shower area. But since it is open air, but it's hard to see with the glass in front of it. Let's go outside and actually take a look. Yep. Ooh, it's supposed to be open air, but she closed. I think you closed the glass because she's cold. Anyway, so all the glass, it slides open, so it can be open air. Anyways, very pretty onsen hot springs bath that you could be surrounded by the elements if you want to, but you don't have to if you don't care for it. Anyway, so this is Beniya Mukayu, a relay and chateau designated Japanese ryokan hot springs bath in the Hokuriku region of Japan.